Blocksy gives you a solid set of options for customizing your blog page. Whether you're running a personal blog or a company news section, it all lives in one place, the Customiser. Go ahead and open it, then click on Blog Posts. The first thing you'll see is the blog title option. This is essentially a hero section for your blog page. It can display the page title, an excerpt, breadcrumbs, and even a featured image as the background. That last one becomes available when you switch to the Type 2 design. Each element here can be toggled on or off individually and reordered with drag and drop. Click on any element and you may see additional options, for example, choosing which HTML tag is used for the title. You also get alignment controls for both axes. A few options are contextual. Select Type 2, for instance, and you'll notice additional image controls appear for the background. There's also a height control for the entire section. And up in the Design tab, you'll find font and color controls. Again, these adjust based on what you have enabled. Moving on, block structure is where you decide how your postcards look. There are 5 layouts to pick from, and each one can be customized further inside the card options menu. We'll go with the grid view for this demo. You can also set how many posts appear per page and how many columns they're split into. Let's open card options. This is where you really dial things in. The card elements section controls what information appears on each card, the title, featured image, meta details, and so on. Toggle them, reorder them, and use the alignment and size controls to get things just right. The Design tab is here too for fonts and colors at the card level. Content area vertical spacing is straightforward. It controls the breathing room between your content and the header and the footer. Handy if you want a tighter, more compact layout. In page elements, you can enable a sidebar and choose which side it sits on. And just below that, pagination lets you choose how readers move through your posts. Standard gives you numbered pages with previous and next buttons. Next, previous removes the numbers. Or you can go with load more or infinite scroll for a smoother experience. Last up, functionality options. Here you'll find the cards reveal effect, which adds a subtle slide-in animation as posts come into view while scrolling. If you're on Blocksy Pro, you may see some extra options here too. Those are covered in their own dedicated videos. And that's the blog post options covered. A lot of flexibility all in one tidy place. Blog posts configured exactly how you want them. If you'd like to learn more about what Blocksy has to offer, head to our website or browse our other videos to keep exploring.